Alrighty. Hello everyone. What did we do yesterday? Did the progression. Now I guess we should go with the loose condition. Let's see. What happens right now if we lose a match? Right now nothing happens. We even getting there? No, we're not. Let's see. If player defeated, maybe not defeated. Maybe like this? How do we lose now? Have to give the enemy a little chance here. Actually easy, we just have to turn to the right direction. Let's see. Oh, okay. If I go to water, for instance. Okay, kinda worked. Do we have anything that shouldn't be here? Seems to be fine. Okay. What happens? Like the fadings are not correct. Fine. This can only happen from here. We are not figuring this. This cannot happen probably. And error let me if we ever get that message outside of this debug and I forgot to delete that print, we can still see it as so he deleted. Oh yeah, as expected, it didn't happen. Means... Ah, I understand. It is actually the battle control itself that does it. Because we got defeated. It triggers... Wait, but... Are we in the start area then? Like, are we in the origin of the map? Do we start here when we are defeated? If yes, then I know exactly what's going on. Yeah, okay. So, because we get defeated, the battle controller triggers a reset to go back to home. How can I find this out? Player defeated. Concerning. This does now this. Now where's that function? Oh wait. Different. This world controller. Oh, that's the player. Interesting, we cannot find it. Hello, baby. A funny story, actually. A friend of mine, he did a rigging for another friend of mine. And he was like, hey, I need practice. Can I do yours too? I was like, nah, man. It will take a while. It's very bad, you know. I have these face lines and so on. It's like a hassle. It is not. Don't worry, just give me. And then I gave it to him, and now I have a new avatar. Now I can look up and down. Yeah. He did a decent job. I have to tell him. Sometimes he lurks in my chat, never saying anything though. How are you today? How was your first 3-day? Why is it face? What does face even mean? Player lost after face procedure. Why did I call it face? Ah, I see. Well, I played Helldivers and that's it. Oh, no, I also played UFO 50 for a while. I was in a dungeon crawler in the first floor. And then I was at the boss and I was like, haha, I got you. And he was like, haha, Uno reverse card, and I died. All my progress is now deleted. Fuck, man. Yeah, it's a very unforgiving game. No, not like DK2. In DK2 you play a game and have like checkpoints and you can try and try. With this one you have one floor and you play 1 or 2 hours on it to, I don't know, get everything, and then you traverse back to get money and whatever. It takes a while. And then you go to the boss, only to get killed, to then restart the whole level again. Yes, it is worse. I'm just realizing that I might be wearing my socks reversed. Man. Damn it. What will I do now with this information? What will you do with this information? Ah, look! My bot catcher caught another bot without displaying it. Aha, get banned. Anyway. Wait, why do we unlock it? So we get here. Ah, UI signal. This is for the fade. When the fade is done, we unlock it again. And then what do we do? Return to start area. Switch to island. Reset. I guess we are fading with these. Yes, okay, now I understand what's going on. So all we have to do is actually to catch it here. So this doesn't happen. Player 1 false. And then we have to look and make this not happen. How do we do this? We could look into the battle queue. Does it also make you happy in VR chat? Although you don't see it since it's always blocked by my ears and stuff. Maybe I can get some viewers with this wagging. Maybe they're like mesmerized by my tail. They will be like, "Oh, what's this?" And I will be like, "You are getting sleepy. You want to press on the subscribe button and follow on Twitch and on Twitter." Deedoop. I guess I will just what the fuck is Q? If yes, get Q and then get tags contains progression. Maybe I should make a function out of this. Q contains battle, or maybe BQ contains tag. Then we can do a true or false here. True. Contains tag. How about that? And then we can say tag. Did we call it battle queue tags? EQ tag contains contains like this, I would say. Hello, Hugo. Yes, I did change it. Damn it, I should have said I didn't change it. Yeah, a friend of mine made the rig. He wanted to practice on something, so he practiced on mine. In the process, he learned how to make a wagging tail on an animation, which is faster than the breathing of the Live 2D standard. Yeah. How's your friend doing, Hugo? FAQ. I see. If contains this tag, then it should not do this. Player defeated. Are you battle queue? Yes. If you're not battle queue, go in here. If you're not in progression test, go in here. Holy shit, this is getting very, very complicated over here. I don't know, man. I do have a VTuber avatar, but I don't do the things VTuber do. I don't, how to say, I don't put in energy to attract people, you know? It's not what I do, I just do the game dev. I'm more like a game dev that has a VTuber avatar. I'm not a VTuber itself. I don't create things for content. Although my game should be a content afterwards, but the game dev itself is not meant to be entertaining content, as it's more like, hey, here's the evidence that I made this game and you might be able to do it too. I'm a special one. Yes, I'm a monkey. I don't know. If I go around and say I'm a VTuber and they will be like, oh, what do you do? Who are you? How many viewers do you have? Blah. And what should I say? You know? Yeah, exactly. That's fine by me, I guess. That's a good compromise. Okay, I think this should do and should be now fixed. If we lose a progression test, perfect. Now it works. I like pudding, but I rarely make or buy myself. The only time I did get myself pudding was when pudding forced me to get pudding. Or was it forced? It was like a suggestion when I went to the grocery store. Why are you laughing, eh? You might want to ask her that. She probably already forgot. How many viewers? 3! No, pudding was not forced to. Pudding forced me. Because pudding forced you to buy. There's a you missing. How could you forget me? I will cry now. Oh wait, I don't have your full attention? Excuse me? Can you believe it, Hugo? Are you labeling yourself as Zoomer now? God damn it. I see. I mean, I have a wagging tail. What do you want? That's your Subway Surfer. My wagging tail. You know, when he did it first, the wagging was behind my head, so the star was looking left and right from my ears, peeking out, and I was like, come on, man, it needs to be more prominent. Anyway, this happens now. This happens too. So 2 more smaller things. Well, I'm not sure about small, but 2 things that are not the main reason what the main development feature, but needs to happen are we have to disable the player's ability to be able to use items in the progression tests. And we need also something else. Give up option. If we don't have a flee option, that is, this is also something different. When you lose an Orpling, it should not itemify in progression tests. Or if it itemifies, then it should be not really itemifying, it just should be away from the board, so you cannot revive them anymore, or something like that. I'm not sure. So yeah, disable flee option, add give up. But let's start with disabling the items for the player. So for this, we do create the UI over here in this one. Initialize UI. And when we initialize that, it should not have this thing. Either we gray it out or hide it. So, Battle controller, initialize UI, initialize UI. How would we know? Oh, wait a moment. Isn't there another feature I'm forgetting? Make enemy compass on the model, blah blah blah, area fights. Okay. Did I forget to add that feature? Can be escaped. I see. Okay, this is different. Should I make this a battle group thing? Where it says, hey, you have the flee option? I think I should. Because we will have duels, right? Hello, Robin. Nice to see you here. What brings you here today? We will see. Maybe not. I mean, Robin is rarely here, no? Or maybe he doesn't see it. Maybe. Magic power of random. Oh. What a coincidence. How are you doing, Robin? Any news on your side? I guess I should add disable flee. Yeah. Let's see. I see. Disable flee. Disable flee. Okay. Disable flee. And disable flee. Whoop. Okay. And all right. Is the only place? How are we, guys? Well, I'm doing good. You can see on my tail. Who knows, Hugo? You have to find out. You both asked the same question? Okay, very good. I don't know, Hugo. Do you want to lose monkey points? Oh, that coffee pasta. I wonder how she's doing. their kinda strange way of seeing the world. Okay, we need to change the battle. Both of these need to change. Disable flee, yes. Disable flee, yes. Wait. Go all the way down. All these. I might want to do this queue-wise too, at some point maybe. I might to have an override on the queue for this. I don't have to make sure every single fight is in a queue has this checked. Yes! Maybe she's writing zeros and ones instead. She's compiling the code in her brain and then just prints out 0 ones. I just remembered. You never answered my call, Hugo. Oh my god. He doesn't give a shit. The call for carnage. He doesn't, he has no clue because I didn't tag him. He didn't read it. That's what you get if you do not read everything on general. Yeah, I didn't add you. Not that one. The fan remade. Reactivated. I'm not talking about the Steam one. The Steam one is a new release PvE garbage with inferior graphics, inferior gameplay, and AI art. Hey Sahizi. Everyone say hello to Zahizi. This is the friend who got their avatar made by the friend that made this avatar. Real life friend of mine. I mean, I never met you before, Hugo. We are friends, but I never met you in real life. Anyway, Zahizi, how are you doing? Let's see. Also, Zahizi is the one that found all the bugs before. Disable flee. Which ones? Are there new seasons right now? Ah, that one. I read the manga a little bit, but I don't know. It was a little too much shonen. Was it shonen when it's always like targeted to the male audience with fighting and stuff? Yeah. The witch that steals your balls, or was it the dick? I'm not sure. Yeah, no. I was like, I don't know. Yes, exactly, Fevy. It's basically about a guy that believes in aliens and a girl that... Does she believe it? About spiritual things like ghosts and stuff. And she's like a... How to say, a priest girl or a daughter of a priest or something. Yeah. And then they meet each other, and then there are aliens and ghosts who try to kill them or something, I don't know. Long time ago I read it. I forgot the plot. There's a new manga I'm following though. I forgot the name, but it's about a girl and a guy always sitting next to each other in a subway, and they both want to talk to each other, but they are both very, very shy. And there are regular passengers, like 3 of them, who are always also there, and the story is about those 3's thoughts about them. They're like, come on, get a room, blah blah, you know, and those are just sitting there not doing anything. Kinda funny. Yeah, it is very funny. I will after the stream, if I remember me. So, flee. Was it this? No, not flee. God damn it, I wanted to disable items. Not... well, now we have the function for flee, so... might as well do that, I guess. But then I would need to make a function for giving up, so... I guess I will leave it like this for now. How do I disable items then? Huh. For items I need to do something different. I have to check the battle queue. Yeah, for... oh wait. Let's say... okay. Here's a question for you guys. Let's say we are in the islands, right? And we meet another summoner. We talk to them, whatever, and they are like, hey, do you want to fight in this wilderness, blah blah blah, and then you decide to fight. Do we enable items or do we disable them? Since you're in the wilderness, are there new rules where you can't fight dirty? I mean, the enemy will never use items. Should I make it so that if it's a duel, there are no items, so it's like a codex? I don't know. What should I do? I guess I should open up the option to disable items for these things. The enemy can never use items, like never. Not even the summoners can't, the normal guys can't, the boss can't. Fair and square is the same. Okay, then I should maybe make that option pipe through here. How do I do this? Think. Do I also add it here now? Into the fights. Might as well. Okay, so we need it there, but also I need to check it globally so I don't have to put it always in here. So let's see, we need it here. Whoops. Disable item use. Disable item use. And disable item use. Then disable item use and we set it here. The list is growing and growing. Okay. So these should be false by default, that's fine. Now we just need to... for these again, I already have it here. Here. This. And now we also not only need it here, the UI, disable item use, but we also have to look into the battle queue if it is a progression test or not. Man, today my back hurts so much somehow, I don't know. Left side. Normally I don't have it like this. But today is kind of strange. Maybe because I was in bed longer, I wonder. Or I'm getting old. Yeah, maybe. Ooh, okay, now we have a problem though. The logic here is kinda different. If this thing is true for the item use, if this is true, disable it. Is it just an OR case then? Does it matter? Let's get Q in here. If true, get condition. Get tag, I mean. Tag contains. Oh my god, okay. Progression test, yes. If this thing is true, or this thing is true, should I even look at this if we have a battle queue? Shouldn't I just override it? I think I should. So if it's that, do that. Maybe we need a local variable here. Local disable item use. And if it's not there, we get it from here. I'm like this, I guess. Yeah. Battle UI. Open menu. Calculate flee. Let's do it in here. Guess this could be its own function now, but I really don't care right now. Okay. I guess we can also do it with this for the disable flee. Let's do that actually. Local disable flee. And then if this is true, then we also disable fleeing option. And else we just look into the thing. And maybe it is always like, if it's a duel or progression test, whatever, these things will be always handled the same. Maybe. Seems to be like that at least. Disable item. Goes in here. Wait, no. No, we have something like this now. This, and this. Okay. So now we get the information through. Now all we have to do is to disable the button for item use. Whatever I do here, I'm not sure yet, because we have to give another button a chance, I guess. That's not correct. How was it again? Collapsed? Set visibility, yes, and then collapsed if true. But it shouldn't be oh my god, why am I like this? Use item. There we go. Go away. Okay, so now if we go to progression test, there shouldn't be the button for item usage. I need to be careful about saving stuff, man. Let's see. Press N. And there it is, it's gone. So all we have to do is now change this button into game over. Which means we could add another button here that says game over, and it's per default not game over, give up, and is per default disabled, and it's only getting toggled on if the flee button goes away. So let's go and take this and paste it in here. Call this, what do we call? Give up and give up. Rest should be fine. Visibility is collapsed. Then compile. Get the wait here on pressed. Try flee. Battle controller. Now we need a function here for give up. Try flee is here. Oh my god, so many things. Well, most of them are just prints. Maybe, are you playing Genshin right now? I was wondering, what do you do in Genshin daily? Like, there are dailies, but after dailies, what do you do then? Don't you have, like, how to say, doesn't it run out of content at some point? And you have to wait for an update or something? Material farming. I see. I see. But I guess that takes a while. And by a while, I mean ages. Heavy. He is lurking. Perceive him. I just got curious what I'm doing with the avatar. I wonder if they're reading it right now. Let's think. We need the game over, but the game over doesn't happen here. It happens when we get damaged. So where do I go? I go for an Orpling. And then I go receive damage. Status apply handle KO. Up. All KO. There we go. Where does this go? Bind. Check for battle capable Orplings. Check for battle capable Orplings. Complete. Log found false. Ending fate. Competitor. Uh-huh. Okay. If we press give up, I need the battle controller have to do ending fade with the competitor 0 so it knows, hey, he gave up. Something like that. I mean, I probably also need to do some kind of give up animation, etc., but for now it's fine. Okay, so we do that. The button is there. This disabled. Now we have to enable it, which is here. Disable flee option means flee needs to be collapsed, but the game over one, give up one, needs to be what? Visible. Like so. And this goes into here again. Make functions out of these. I should do it, but we should try this out first. Okay, so normally the flee option should be gone for the progression test now, and we should be able to press that we give up. Well, it's not there. Why? What happened? I guess it is shy. What the hell, man? So the flee button is disabled, but this guy isn't. Wait. Huh? Oops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, wait, this needs to be collapsed. Why? Huh? Now I'm confused. What's going on here? Okay. Give up with... Huh? Ha ha! If I don't add bugs, you don't have a job to do. I will make the most nasty bugs that you cannot find, and I will be like, haha, see this? You didn't find it, I fixed it though. Anyway, thanks Sahizi for tuning in. I don't understand. There it is! What the hell? This makes no sense. I had it on visible and I set it on visible, but it was not visible. And then I set it to collapsed to turn on visible. Now it is visible. What? So we press this, game is over, it should say you lose. You are not able to progress. Perfect. That's what we wanted. I don't understand, man. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm calm. I'm calm. It happens a lot, right? I don't know what happened to Unreal, but since I updated this one crash here with when I have UIs open and do something with it and then I play mode and then just close it, after a while it crashes. Very, very strange. Let's reopen everything. Hopefully it didn't lose anything. Let's think. Alright, so this guy was on visible, right? When it was on visible, it broke. It was not visible. Is it? No, it is here. So it didn't compile probably. What's going on, man? I swear. I don't care anymore. Collapsed. Alright, so we have this now. Disable items. Disable flee we also did with give up. The only thing that is left is this thing. In duels, we might not want orb links to get deactivated. Maybe on islands fights where there's you. Oh, this is a thing because there is a countdown in this resolve phase for the KO. Abstract competitor. Why is it on competitor? Okay, let's see. I only have to do it for the summoner, probably. For now, at least. I don't think they will fix it. I think this is some kind of corruption in my data. They will not... No one else has this. I would assume. The only way to find this out right now is to ask UDN, but I have no UDN access. And my skills are not enough to understand the bug log. Since it's not that bothering me right now, I don't care about it. At some point I should fix it, but it might be never. Just finding the solution is maybe a task on its own. And I don't have time for something like that right now. I don't understand. We are here. Resolve KO countdown. But it's not here. Wait. summon. Oh my god, man. Now, resolve KO countdown. There we go. We have to disable this. Oh, current faults. KO. Find true. Inactivation KO count value. Is smaller than the KO value. Then we add it. Okay, so we have to count up here. And when it reaches that threshold, we reset the level, remove the things, and then we make it into an item. What we do here, Orpling is itemified. Remove, clean up, fighting Orpling. So, if I see it correctly, the whole function needs to be disabled. Which means Battle Controller needs to tell us if this is enabled or disabled. We can make it pretty easily if we say enabled like this. We go then in Unreal. What are you doing? We then make a if condition here. If it is enabled, do all of this. And now the battle thing, now we can say when do we do this? In specific cases, or do I also maybe I also want to disable this in duels. That would mean I also have to set this in a logic inside, but for now I think that's a step too far. This is a design decision I have to consider first, but for progression tests this shouldn't happen. I mean, we don't need this spool anymore because we have this. Let's tag this thing. So the enemy ones also don't degrade, of course, then. If true, maybe I should ask it here. Then we need a local, what do we call this? Itemify More planks. Not bull. If it is not a progression, this is true. Means enabled. But we should maybe call this disabled. How about that? Ah, there we go. Where was it and how did they find it? Yeah, that's true. We actually shouldn't be asking this every single round. We could ask this only once in the initialize. I guess. Okay, initialize. There. You were kind of stressed. Are you also going to Korea? Are you meeting him? I guess we're done. How do I test this now? There are two ways of testing this. Okay, first we need to make the fishies a little stronger. Where are the fishies? I wonder how strong this multi-attack is. We will see. We should make ours again a little. Weaker. Okay, first, let's go to the wilderness and get our ass kicked. Then wait for 5 rounds, because then it needs to itemify. Okay, so our guy... Wait, we will lose this battle. That's not good. Give myself a little bit more shields. Yeah, this is not good. Avatar. Just for now, let's give him 3 shields. Even though that's not possible with this level. Yum yum. Yeah, let's see. Ours should get now his ass kicked. Lose our shields. And now we are unpenetrable. This is round 1. And yes, that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. I guess he is gone, but is still being displayed. Because if I switch to this, I see we have a bug that we have to get rid of because this KO needs to disappear. Anyway, he itemifies anyway. That is good. Means we should do this back. And now let's write the tickets. After Orpling, KO and itemify, make sure icon is cleaned up from disk or display, whatever, doesn't matter. Okay, now let's test it in the progression. There we should get our ass kicked. Okay, here's KO. 1, I see Orpling. 2, 3, 4, 5, he's gone. That's not good. That shouldn't happen. Why did it happen? So let's see. Battle queue successfully true. If true, make false. That's not what we want. Of course, then it cannot work. Aha! Another bot got detected. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, he's gone. Round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4, round 5. He's still there. There we go. We did it. Another bug or feature is done. Okay, after Orpling KO and itemify, make sure icon is cleaned up for disk. Whew, how do we do this? Happen here. We just update. I just go get UI controller, get battle UI, and then update. No. Function call. Add battle UI barrier. Check for usable items. Will hide. Show info display. What does that do? And that's not update. Disk display at default. Get battle info display timer. No. Left and right. Right. Update. No. Function call. We might not have the functions. Clean up widget. We have anything. see that cast summoner. Function call. Okay, just to test, could enforce the right panel to get updated when the KO goes through. Just to see if it works. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, he's still there. I need to fight it in normal. Never mind. Go. Yeah. This as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. Not actualize. Update. This does is other things. The thing we want. Although we are clearing it, so that's rather odd that it does not happen. Ah, we're in the wrong fight. Huh? Oh, this always happens. Ah, okay. I don't care. I can go through this now. What? Why did we lose? Fine. should happen here. Might want to remove it manually. Ugh. How do I change the icon? Hello, Yummy. How are you doing? I can imagine. Let's see. We will be able to see that it is wrong. I just need to confirm. Ah, I forgot I need another shield. Man! I want to solve this, man. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Let's see. In here, elements. 9. Okay. This shouldn't be there. How do we remove this? And do we have to do anything else? Are you fucking kidding me? Is it not called instance? Internal! Oh my god, not instance. Let's see. It did find it. Okay, let's see how this one goes now. Right. Rather curious if that's the solution. If yes, then I can clean it up and we're done for today. If not, I still have to search for a solution. Let's see. Okay, so do this and then the next one should be the trigger. Okay. So 1, 2 guys. Fire lightning is there. You want to remove fire lightning. You go in, find it, you remove it from parent and from the container. Why do I do update then if I remove it from there anyway? I don't have to. Play. Yeah, he's gone. Try this again. We might not need the other thing because we are already updating it correctly, probably. And that might be the solution. Then I just need to find a way to determine which competitor to look into. Okay. 3, 4, 5. These. Nope, he's still there. We need to update, actually. That was correct then. Why though? We do remove it from parent, I thought. Maybe that's not enough. But then we should maybe not remove from whatever here. Maybe we should not do this. Maybe we should leave everything for the updater. Okay, let's try this again. Wait. Remove and update. Okay, and then here we got rid of this. Okay. Try again. And 5. He's still there. Why is he still there? So I do have to remove him. But then I'm not sure if I'm removing everything correctly. This is needed. So I have to do this. And have to update. That makes no sense in my head. Why do I have to? Don't even have it in here. And now I'm very confused. How did the icon disappear before? Am I going crazy? Am I doing things and then forgetting them? Now it's gone. Huh? I am not doing anything else. I'm doing exactly the same thing. What? Oh, maybe I forgot this. Yeah, okay, never mind. That's why. We actually don't need this. Okay. Okay. I am not crazy. I just don't see things. I'm blind. I don't get why everyone is so like damaged by that. I loved that stream from Gigi. That was so hype. Okay, this is not good. What's going on now? Cameras. Access not trying to read. How did this happen now? I will not get this error ever again. So I might have to find it now. How did this happen? Okay, stop. Stop current sequence. Why did it want to stop the sequence? Skip to next. This can only happen if I press skip. Did I accidentally press skip? Maybe I didn't press it accidentally. Maybe I was too fast. Okay. I didn't even realize I pressed skip, and computers never lie, so... I might have pressed backspace while it wasn't fading. I need to be careful. I should write a ticket for that if that's the case. Let's recreate it. Yes. There's a small time frame where that happens. Anyway, let's test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's gone. Okay. And another ticket. Let's see. Spamming skip while in explosion leads to camera not found error. Not that important to fix right now, but we have a solution here. Now we have to make it a solid solution. We have to remove this function. Don't need this anymore. This stays there. Okay. So, how do we know we are the right display? Summoner competitor. This is rather hard. Except if I send it through here, that is, but Not a good solution. Also, this is the summoner competitor. I should know where he is. We have the ID here. This is actually no problem, right? Get competitor ID. What is this? Why is this reference inside there? Where is he referenced? Oh my god. I don't understand the matter right now. Okay, so left is a child of right. Okay, this looks solid. All of this can now disappear. And now we should be able to see the icon disappear. Let's see. Oh, that was a session. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. He's gone. Nice. It works. Now let's see what we can clean up. Although there's nothing to clean up, but are we going to this? I don't understand. If we do lock the input here, how does it? This is odd. This is very odd. The moment the explosion happens, we are in a locked state, I think. Ah, we're not. I see. Oh, it's always going through. It was not locked. I mean, yes, it shouldn't be locked. We want to skip the camera flight. I think I don't care. I will not find that issue now. That is Future Monkey's problem. Could now look into this problem though. Why the hell do I have a display that says delete me, but it has references to somewhere else? How is that possible? How is it referenced in here? I might want to make a backup before I try to delete this. I should also maybe... where's my... So yeah, everything else is solved. Let's make a save state. Give me a second. Okay. Almost over. I'm back. Yippee! Okay, so that UI delete me. It's referenced by this guy. Where? Where are you referencing him, huh? Tell me your secrets. Oh God. I have no idea how this is referenced there. Let's just delete it and see what happens. Force delete. I don't understand. Nothing seems to be broken. Well, let's see, I guess. I have to remove the shields of the player. But hey, it works. I have no clue why there was a reference, but I think it was just a Unreal thing. I don't know. Because I copied it maybe? I don't know. It makes zero sense. Like zero. Player. Is 1. Alright. I am done. That's it. Monkey had enough. Yes. Alright. Today is Thursday, which means 2 days I will not develop. Sunday I will develop again. And the next thing we will do, making sure the progression is only unlocked when we get at a certain depth of the island chain. So we might transition smoothly from player progression to world map. We will see about that. I have to think about how to make the world map. And we have to maybe find a solution to this error, or just dump it down here and forget it forever or something, I don't know. Anyway. Maybe Hugo, yummy. Thanks for tuning in. Also the lurkers over there, thanks for the avatar. The rigging is phenomenal. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Bye.